Hello, everyone. My name is Vishu Rajpal. Coming to today's topic. Okay, so I will only say get ready for an insightful live session today as we welcome a tarot reader who will share intuitive guidance, hidden messages, and energies that can help you move forward with confidence. So, help me inviting our क्या बोलूं young member of the day, young guest of the session, Tushya.
Hello,
Hi, Tushya. Hi, how are you? Good afternoon.
I'm
Welcome
great.
to the live session and please introduce yourself.
I'm Tushya. I'm 18 years old and I do tarot card readings.
Wow, very nice. So, 18 years and tarot reading. ये
Yeah.
कैसे हो गया?
Uh,
मतलब, is it a time pass thing for you or
no, it's
are you
not time
serious about
pass.
it?
No. I like tarot card readings. I was very much intrigued by how it works and it helps us in many ways. So I just wanted to do a course and then I did.
Okay. So, how
And it's
this
become a
journey
passion.
began? Okay,
Yeah.
I am
So,
really curious about it. मैं एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगी. बहुत अच्छा लगता है when you see those kids जिन मतलब जो 18 years, especially in India. मतलब I believe, I've seen people outside India, वहाँ पे एक अलग कल्चर चलता है. बट इंडिया में when you see young people and growing, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I really want to know, मतलब मैं ही बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ just to know about it. How this journey began, मतलब आपका कैसे ये start हुआ about the tarot reading and all. I really want to know about it.
So when I was in my ninth standard, my mama used to do pranic healings for herself, for my nanny, for my family, and she used to get her own tarot card readings done from my teacher.
Okay.
So I was
Okay.
very much interested at how it helped her, how the remedies that she did, that the tarot card reader gave
Mm-hmm.
us worked, and how the readings came true, Hamesha. So I was
Mm-hmm.
very much
Okay.
curious about it, and I wanted to do a course. And then I asked Mama that I want to do it, I want to do it. But my Mama and my daddy said that don't do it. First finish your studies, first do your 10th, and then focus on all that. So I had to wait for a few months, and
Okay.
then I did a course.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Great enough. I have many questions to share. Move to our next question. I want to say to my audience that it is going to be a 30 minutes live session and we are going to quickly get few updates from Tushya about tarot and all. Okay, end में session के end में we are going to take two questions. ठीक है. So आपको वो questions पूछने के लिए आपका पूरा नाम, date of birth और आपका question ये लिखना है. अभी नहीं भेजना है, अभी वाले questions नहीं. Stay tuned till the session ends. Session के last में we are going to ask two questions. Only two questions we are going to take, and a surprise for everybody of you is here on the session. So stay tuned for the last 5 minutes of the session. Don't go anywhere, just be there live in the session only. Okay, so let's come back to you, Tushya. Okay, your journey
Yes.
began because you saw your mom, like you said. So what was your
Yeah.
basic inspiration when you chose this as a profession?
Yeah. So the basic reason I chose tarot card readings as a profession and as a hobby is because I love helping people and I love when people get true readings. It means if I can help anybody, I love it when people get help from me and I like that. And it's very much
Okay.
interesting to do tarot and I love the cards. I have a very good connection with them.
Okay, do you have cards with you right now?
Yeah, I have the cards
Can you
right
please
now.
show the audience what is tarot
Yeah,
actually means?
yeah.
काफी लोगों को शायद पता नहीं होगा
Yeah.
कि
So tarot
tarot
card
होता
readings,
क्या है.
yeah, ये tarot cards होते हैं.
Okay,
78
nice.
cards होते हैं tarot deck में. So हर एक
Okay.
card का एक meaning होता है. And then in a tarot card reading, I ask people to ask me questions, and then I tell
Mm-hmm.
them whatever the card I pull for them.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And was there any mentor or a book that shaped your learnings?
Yeah, there was a mentor. I don't read much of books, so I like to see and learn and listen from people and learn. So I had a mentor. So from
Mm-hmm.
a mentor, I learned everything from a mentor.
Okay. And how long it took, to feel confident कि आपको अपने ऊपर
Yeah.
कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था as a tarot reader?
Yeah. So main thing about tarot card reading is that you have to practice. The more you practice, the
Okay.
more better you get at that. So
Mm-hmm.
it usually it takes 3 to 4 months to learn it. Means to grasp all
Okay.
the knowledge in tarot. Means it will take 3 to 4 months to learn all the cards and to understand every card. And then the main thing in tarot is about the intuition and the connection with the cards, how deep you get connected with the cards. So um, it took me at least a year to be more and more deeply connected to my cards and to provide more deeper readings.
Tushar, I'll ask a question. My next question is actually, आज से 3 साल पहले मुझे भी नहीं पता था टैरो होता क्या है. A friend of mine
Hmm.
gave me a call and
Yeah.
said कि ये एक लेडी है, मेरी नेबर है, एंड तू टैरो रीडिंग करा इनसे. आई सेड व्हाट इज टैरो.
Hmm.
मैंने तो सिर्फ एस्ट्रोलॉजी सुना है, टैरो सुना ही नहीं
Hmm.
है. ये चीज तो अपने मतलब इधर जो थोड़ा बहुत है उससे भी आगे थी. ठीक है, तो मैंने
हाँ.
बोला ये तो मैंने कभी नहीं सुना. ऐसा करके उन्होंने बोला. सो आई एम एक्चुअली एक्साइटेड टू नो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली टैरो एंड हाउ डज इट वर्क.
Yeah. So tarot card readings basically tarot was a thing. It was a game like we play playing cards. हम पत्ते से खेलते हैं. So in Italy these were the playing
ओके.
cards. Yeah. And then
ओके.
they came to know that if we pull out ace of spades, so अलग meaning रहता है. King of spades का अलग meaning रहता है in our playing cards.
ओके.
So similarly in tarot we have 78 cards in total. So थोड़ा सा major arcana रहता है. There are few minor arcana. Then there are court cards. So each cards have their own meaning.
ओके.
So tarot card reading
एंड
is basically, yeah, sorry.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, प्लीज कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू.
हाँ. तो टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग्स हर एक कार्ड का एक अलग मीनिंग रहता है एंड इट इज जस्ट इंट्यूशन बेस्ड एंड यू कैन आल्सो लर्न दैट.
Okay. So, do
या.
they really predict the future and guide our choices, or they just guide our choices? What is
No, no.
actually?
See, tarot card readings are energy based. Tarot
Mm-hmm.
card readings are present based. So whenever you
Mm-hmm.
get a tarot card reading, then it can be very accurate. But for a
Mm-hmm.
time frame of 6 to 7 months, it cannot
Mm-hmm.
be very accurate for lifelong.
Okay.
Yeah. Major things it can predict, like marriage thing, it can predict, but it can go wrong as well sometimes. But tarot
Oh,
card readings mainly are present based. इसीलिए 6 to 7 months का reading कभी wrong नहीं होता है.
okay. I
And
agree.
mainly guidance for choices are the best things to do in tarot. That is what I suggest people to do. You should always
Okay.
do tarot to make good decisions. Means tarot can tell you the best decisions that will be most favorable for you.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
share my experience in between.
Yeah.
Almost 6 months, 6 to 8 months back, a tarot reader of mine, she was continuously telling me, do this, do this, do this, do this. मतलब, I was like, पागल है, बोलती रहती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. She was continuously telling me, do this, do this, do this, do this. मतलब ऐसा ही चल रहा था, डेली उसका नाटक चल रहा था और मैं बोल रही थी पागल है, बोलती रहती है. देन सडनली अ डे केम, मतलब मैंने कॉल किया कि यार ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है. तो शी वॉज लाइक, आई एम टेलिंग यू कब से, तू मेरी सुनती नहीं है. सो एक्चुअली आई थिंक इट वर्क्स. मैंने भी देखा फिर उसके बाद. एंड जो मेरे को पहले मतलब प्रेडिक्शंस आए थे टैरो रीडिंग से, दे केम ट्रू. दैट्स व्हाट आई सॉ. इवन वो एक टाइम था जब मुझे बिलीव होने लगा कि टैरो इज एक्चुअली अमेजिंग. बट मेरे दिमाग में ना एक क्वेश्चन आता है हमेशा कि हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एस्ट्रोलॉजी और न्यूमरोलॉजी.
Yeah. So, in that terms, astrology is the study of planets. So it tells you about the planets. अभी there are 12 houses in astrology. So अभी कौन से house में कौन सा planet है and how it affects your life. So astrology is the study of planets and numerology is the study of numbers. तो numbers के बारे में वो बोलता है date of birth, name, and numerology and astrology are very vast. They are very
Okay.
deep and very vast. And tarot card readings are present moment reflections and tools that will help you to know about now and what you should do. Whereas astrology is a proper prediction thing. It can predict, it can tell you what will be your life like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. एंड आप जब रीडिंग करते होगे विद योर क्लाइंट्स, विद योर फ्रेंड्स, नेबर्स, फैमिली, वॉट एवर, तो आपके पास ऐसे भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते होंगे जिनको क्या आप उन्हें रिफ्यूज कर देते हो, मतलब वो क्वेश्चन का जवाब देने से आप मना कर देते हो, कभी ऐसा भी हुआ है? और अगर ऐसा होता है तो क्यों आपके साथ ऐसा होता है? मतलब क्या कोई
हम्म
क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी होते हैं कि आप बोल सकते हो कि नहीं, मैं इसका आंसर नहीं कर सकता?
थोड़े क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जैसे कि
हम्म
बर्थ के बारे में, विल आई हैव अ
हम्म
चाइल्ड, सो आई कैन प्रेडिक्ट इफ यू विल और नॉट, बट आई कांट प्रेडिक्ट द जेंडर ऑफ द चाइल्ड.
ओके
Yeah. Then second thing that I cannot predict is that the death of a person. That when will a person die? Because it affects you emotionally. And tarot card readings are tools to help you and give you more of reflection and more of positivity in your life. And if you
ओके
ask questions about death and about uh, things that are very important in your life, that can change you either positively or drastically positively or negatively, so you should not ask such questions.
ओके एंड
Yeah.
रिसेंटली अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड विजिटेड एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर. वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने उनको बोला कि आपकी डेथ ऐसे होगी, लाइक आपके फादर की हुई थी वैसे ही आपकी होगी, इस तरीके से डर. सो डू
Hmm.
यू मेक श्योर कि आप अपना जो क्लाइंट है या जो भी आपके सामने बैठा है रीडिंग करवा रहा है, उसके मन में कोई डर ना पैदा करो? आपकी रीडिंग्स जो हैं दे डोंट क्रिएट फियर. डू यू मेक श्योर दैट?
Yes, I make sure about that. So I focus on the solutions and the emotional awareness of the people. Means I tell them bluntly. Means even if the prediction is bad or the reading is bad, I tell them, but I tell them in an emotional way that they can change. So the best thing about tarot is that tarot can always change, late wala future. Because for example, if you ask me a question like, how will you score in your exam? And
ओके
I'll tell you there are 8 months for your exams right now, and I'll tell you कि गंदा होगा अभी
ओके
के हिसाब से, but you will study
करेक्ट
then and you will change it. So that's the best thing
करेक्ट
about tarot. I
करेक्ट
give them
करेक्ट
a surety that they can make it better as well.
Correct. And
Yeah.
what do you say to people, those who are completely dependent on tarot?
I tell the people that tarot is a guidance, tarot is a prediction, and no
Mhm.
prediction is 1000% true. Everything can
Mhm.
change, but tarot is a thing that you can just trust on it and you can rely on it sometimes, because it's not always a thing that you should just ignore it or you should always focus it. It will help you in many ways.
Okay. And
Yeah.
another, my next question is, हम फीमेल्स हैं, ठीक है, तो
Hmm.
गॉसिप तो हम लोग करते ही हैं, तो थोड़ा सा गॉसिप यहाँ भी कर लेते हैं. आई हैव
Hmm.
सीन ऑन योर पेज दैट यू हैव
Yeah.
इवन डन रीडिंग्स ऑफ मेनी सेलिब्रिटीज ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
Can you please tell us something about their readings, or
Uh,
you keep the things confidential? मतलब
Yeah,
थोड़ा सा.
things are always confidential. We cannot share our personal readings. So, if we share the readings, if we don't keep the confidentiality, so the
Mhm.
readings can affect, means it will affect my skills and my
Okay.
energy and my aura that I do while the readings will be affected negatively. So, when you
Okay.
believe in me, you trust me while doing your own reading. You give
Okay.
your, I give you the assurance that you can tell me anything and I'll help you. I
Okay.
cannot tell anything to anyone else. So it's like
Okay.
that. I cannot say anything.
Okay. So, and another thing I really want to know about tarot is like, what is the biggest myth people have about tarot reading?
So the biggest myth in tarot card readings that I notice and notice every day while doing the reading is that people are very particular about things that are there in their mind. Means if
Mhm.
I pull a card, death or a king of swords to say, so people just start looking at the cards and then they think about their own meanings. खुद ही से सोच लेते हैं कि ऐसा होगा, वैसा होगा,
Okay.
and then people see it only from their perspective. So that's the
Okay.
biggest myth about tarot, that it's never, means अगर कार्ड गंदा होगा, डेथ कार्ड आया या फिर टॉवर कार्ड आया, so it doesn't have
Mhm.
to be anything bad. You should not be
Mhm.
dependent on what the cards का नाम है. You should see what the
Okay.
reader is telling you.
Okay. Acha, one more thing, Tushya. I can say or not, maybe you're too young for this, but what I have seen nowadays, relationships जो है ना एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है. अगर हम
Hmm.
सोसाइटी में देखेंगे तो every one house has a relationship issues going on. अगर हम देखेंगे तो अगर हम रिलेशनशिप की बात करें तो रिलेशनशिप और इमोशनल हीलिंग को कैसे टैरो हेल्प कर सकता है?
So tarot card readings mainly if a person comes to me and I pull the cards and then I tell them. So tarot can highlight अगर communication में problem होगा. If there's a
Mhm.
communication issue, if there's some grudges hold, अगर ऐसा
Mhm.
कुछ हो, I can tell people that you have to be more open or you should talk about what you want or what you need. Sometimes everything is happening because of unresolved feelings and miscommunications. So I tell them
Okay.
to solve and focus on them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can it be for business and career jobs? We
Yeah.
can get help for that decisions also.
Yeah, that would be a great thing because tarot is present based, and whenever you do tarot card readings for a business, you will be like, "Abhi kya karna chahiye?" So it will always help you in a very good way. So you should do that.
ओके. तो
Yeah.
आप तो टैरो रीडर हो, आप तो अपनी रीडिंग रोज खुद करते ही रहते होगे ना, अपना
नहीं
मतलब क्या
नहीं.
करना है तो खुद
I
से
can do
रीडिंग
that.
करी और चली.
Yeah,
हाँ.
we can do that, but I don't prefer doing that. And I think
ओके.
that most of the tarot card readers don't do their own reading because main thing with tarot is that it's my these are my cards. My cards are
ओके.
my cards. So and I'm emotionally connected to them. They matlab I can pull out card that I want for another person
ओके.
and for myself.
ओके.
Yeah. So I should not do
मीन्स
my own reading.
मीन्स यू सी द कार्ड्स एंड देन पुल और यू डोंट सी
No,
एंड
no,
देन
means I don't see the
रैंडमली.
cards are ऐसे रहता है उल्टा रहता है cards and I just
ओके.
randomly pull but the card that I pull will be somewhat that I want something that I
ओके.
want to hear ऐसा ही होता है.
Means that is
And for the
from your
people,
intuitions or
yeah,
mind only.
इसीलिए. So when a client is doing an offline reading with me, I ask them
Mhm.
to shuffle the deck so that their energies
Okay.
get into the card. So जब भी वो भी pull करेंगे, their intuition based pull रहता है card pull. So वो उन्हीं के
अच्छा, ये
लिए
तो
रहता है
ऑफलाइन हो
cards.
गया. देन अगर ऑनलाइन है तो कैसे एनर्जी का होगा ये जो आप बता रहे हो?
Online होगा तो then I connect to the people more deeply. Then it requires a lot of more energy for that online readings.
ओके.
But they also come true. उसमें कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं रहता. Only I'll pull the cards for you.
एंड हाउ इट हैज चेंज्ड योर लाइफ?
Tarot card readings, how did it change my life? So I can see that tarot helps you to stay calm and tarot helps you in many ways.
ओके.
Yeah. So it has helped me to be a little more patient, more self-aware, and a little emotionally balanced. It
ओके.
taught me
या
to
आई
reflect about the things and um think about things thoughtfully instead of reacting very
थिंक.
impulsively.
Okay. And
Yeah.
okay, coming to the deck, okay, you call it a
Yeah.
deck.
Yeah.
Which is one card you will say that represents your life journey?
My life journey. So I can say that my life journey is like the Fool card. Means the Fool card is a card in tarot that says that your journey has just begun and you have a
Mm-hmm.
lot to see. Whatever is happening at the present is just a new beginning. अच्छा हो रहा है, ठीक ठाक हो रहा है, बुरा हो रहा है. Everything is just like a beginning. Everything will always keep improving no matter what.
मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी which I am very much excited to ask even कि what is the easiest way to manifest? Manifestation I believe a lot. ठीक है.
Yeah.
तो मेरा एक basic question है, what is the easiest way to manifest?
Okay, so what I do, what I believe is the easiest way of manifestation is that you can take a glass of water, then you
Okay.
have to hold it in your hand. So I have a steel ka glass right now, but you should hold the kaach ka glass. So you have to
Okay.
hold it like this. Then you have to put your hands from both the sides, नीचे से and ऊपर से, and then you have to say your wish like this. That, for
Okay.
example, I'll get good marks in my exam. Then you do
Okay.
this, and then you keep it for charging in the moonlight. You should always
Okay.
do this on the full moon. पूर्णिमा पे करना चाहिए, because that
Okay. तो
time
कल
की
भी.
energy. हाँ कल थी, 1st Feb को
Okay.
थी, तभी करना चाहिए. So
Okay.
all the energy of the moon, the positive energy comes into your water, and then you drink
Mhm.
it. For,
Okay.
yeah,
So this is how we can manifest.
yeah, that's the best way and the easiest way. Means you don't have to put in a lot of efforts for that. आपको सिर्फ इतना करना है. Glass में बोलना है, whatever your wishes.
Okay, I have few questions, but
Yeah.
before I move on to my questions, I really want to ask you: is there any message you want to give to people to understand about tarot?
Yeah. So tarot card readings basically are not about fate or about destiny like astrology. So tarot card readings are about clarity in life, reflecting about what's going on, helping people reconnect with their own wisdom and what they want to know. So tarot always give you a reassurance of everything. Means when you come to do tarot card readings with me, you already have an answer in your mind. You just want to confirm that कि ऐसा है कि नहीं है. And if I tell
Okay.
you that what you want to hear is true, means you will reach there, you will reach your goal. So you will feel more confidence and you can then be more sure about your goals. Then you will push it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I have one question. Her name is Vishakha Pawar. Date of birth is
Yeah.
27/4/1976. What
Yeah.
is remedy for health recovery as I am facing arthritis?
Okay. So basically in tarot, the I'll give you a remedy for it. And so the things I can say is that she should be more grounded. I can see that Vishakha Pawar, the lady who has asked the question, I can see that she is always in a rush and always in a hurry. So she's doing a lot right now. So she has to rest, and I can see that Five of Pentacles that says that you have many issues other than this too. So I can see that you have to ground yourselves and you have to be a little more focused on your health. I can see that you're not focused. Means even after knowing that you have a few issues, you don't rest and you don't take care towards it.
Okay.
So the main
And
remedy that you should do is that you should take care and you should rest more.
okay. Okay. And is it important to write the name also? Somebody has written, "Hi, can I ask for my brother?"
She can ask for her brother, yes. She
But
can.
उसके लिए उनको नाम, date of birth और
हाँ,
question
नाम, date of birth,
देना
हाँ. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
but
अगर कोई
for a reading, she's asking for her brother. So she can also give her own name and her own date of birth, and she can say that this is my brother. सिर्फ उनका नाम और फिर question वैसा भी चलेगा.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So a member has also asked उनके बच्चे की date of birth है 4/5/2012 and
Yeah.
she want to ask what will be the best stream for studies
Okay.
for
So
her
in
daughter.
tarot, when people ask such questions to me, I ask them
Mhm.
that what are the most interested field of their child.
Okay.
So then I'll tell you कि वो means I just need to know the that
Mm-hmm.
person's interests.
Okay.
So
Okay,
she'll
so
have to
let
tell
her
that to me.
reply.
Yeah.
Then only I can ask. Meanwhile, I really want one general reading for 2026. You know how 26 is going to be for everybody of us. A general reading for all of
Yeah,
us.
I'll check. Yeah. I can see that 2026 का first quarter of the year means Jan, Feb and March will be uh, a lot of hurry and a lot of work happening. It will be very productive, but it will be in a rush. So everything that happens will happen in a rush, but things will be good for all the people.
Okay.
Means it will always be favorable, whatever happens. If you feel like something is going away, it will also come back. Whatever
Okay.
thing is happening for the best. This
Okay.
is the first quarter. Second quarter, I can see that people will go on vacations.
Mm-hmm.
Means April, May, and June. I
Oh
can see a
wow.
lot of traveling happening.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of traveling will happen that time, and I can also see that they'll be very satisfied with the travel that they want to do. Means it will be very safe and sound. Then I
Mm-hmm.
can see that people will feel the joy this year. I can see that this year will be the highlight of 2026 will be emotional satisfaction. Means people will
Okay.
be very happy. The
Okay.
third quarter of the year is Ace of Cups. So that says that uh, any types of arguments with anybody and family or communication में जो भी error होगा पूरे world में
Okay.
वो कम होगा. Means I can see more clarity between people, between relationships and everything. So people will be
Okay.
more honest and more clear about what they want and need, and all the
Okay.
issues will be resolved.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And end
Okay.
of the year is knowledge learning. I can see the last quarter of the year, that would be October, November, December. People will learn and people will
Okay.
start focusing on themselves and start taking their guidances seriously.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this year gonna be interesting, I believe,
Yeah.
then
Very
for
interesting.
everybody
Yeah.
of us. Yes, yes. So next question, the last question of the day, we are going to
Yeah.
take it is Uruz Khan, and date of birth is 8 10
18.
79. The question is when I will get my job.
So is he searching for the jobs right now?
Yes, she is.
She is okay. So she's looking out for jobs and she is out there searching for jobs. And our question is that when will she get a job?
Yes, correct.
That's the right question. Okay. I can see it will take around 3 to 4 months more to get a good job that she wants of her own choice. I can see that she knows she has a good contacts, but she's not using them and she's trying to do everything by herself. So that's the main issue, and she's just postponing things. But I can see that if she uh, puts in a lot of efforts and go towards the goal through contacts and with help, it will help her a lot, and she'll get the job easily and a little faster as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is for her job
Yeah, so
related goal.
June tak ho jayega. June is the answer.
Okay. So can we take one
2026.
more question if you have time?
Yeah, we can take one more question.
So if anybody else wants to ask any question, can write in the comments. Meanwhile, I want to ask one more thing. Abhi board exams are coming. So what are
Yeah.
your what tarot says about board exams? कि इस बार board exams का result पहले से better जाने वाला है या क्या होने वाला है?
Okay, means overall board means last year का total passing कैसा था उससे
Exactly,
comparison. Okay,
exactly, exactly.
I'll check that. I can see कि ये साल का last year से improvement बहुत होगा. Means this year will be better at passing, people passing. Yeah,
Okay.
this year is more of growth for people. I can see a lot of growth will happen, and I can
Hmm.
see that people are also focused. I think that people are a little more focused and a little more conscious than last
Okay.
year. So I
Okay.
can see this year will be a good year for the boards people. 10th
Okay.
boards, yeah, 10th and 12th boards. Yeah,
Okay. चलो, I'll ask a personal question. मैं अपने लिए
yeah.
पूछती हूँ एक question.
Uh,
My date of birth is 1st January 1988.
yeah.
Any guidance for my coming 3 months?
Okay, I'll check.
Yeah, career guidance.
So for career guidance, what all do you do? Means what all do you do
I
in
I
terms of
have
work?
my social media agency.
Yeah,
I run a digital marketing agency, so I work
yeah,
in that sector basically.
yeah. Okay.
Yes.
I can see for the next 3 to 4 months, I can see that firstly, February will be a lot of work. I can see you'll be busy and there's no guidance. You just have to cope up with everything. Means February is a month where you're exhausted and also productive work will happen. A lot of productive work will happen. So you have to balance your emotional life and your personal life. I can see somewhere in your personal life there will be a lot of overwhelming happening from your side. You'll
Okay.
be tired, you'll be exhausted, and you'll be a little dramatic as well. Means you'll say things without thinking, and you'll be very expressive. So be
Okay.
expressive, but also control your emotions. Try to control them. Then
Okay.
in the
Sounds good.
month of Feb and March, I can see, March, I can see March will be a lot of celebration and growth happening. In March, I can also see that you will get a new opportunity for work.
Okay.
Are
Okay.
you trying for any new opportunity right now? Are you applying or
Yes.
doing? So I can see
Yes.
something will, some kind of reward or some kind of work you will get. That will be
Mm-hmm.
different from now. Whatever the
Okay.
next thing that's coming to you is very different than your current
Okay.
field and current work. I can see it
Okay.
will be something else only. And
Okay.
I can also see that you're not prepared for that yet. Means you've
Okay.
just tried to apply and आपने जो जो कर सकते थे वो करने का कोशिश किया, but something ऐसे ही out of the blue आ जाएगा that you don't have an
Oh,
idea of. Yeah.
sounds good.
So that's what I can see the next 3 months for you.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So, that this actually I can say after this, one thing कि कुछ कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग कुछ चीज़ों को अंडर एस्टिमेट कर देते हैं, बट
हाँ,
कुछ चीज़ें हमेशा अच्छे रिजल्ट्स ही लेके आती हैं. एंड
हाँ,
दिस इज एक्चुअली आई से इट अगेन, आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, an 18 year, एक छोटे बच्चे को, मेरे सामने तो मैं बच्चा ही बोलूंगी, आई हैव सीन यू फ्रॉम फ्रॉम योर वेरी अर्ली एज, मैंने देखा है. सो ग्रोइंग एंड ये सब चीजों में जब देखते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ओके. एंड I have one question. I'll quickly take that
Yeah,
last question. Okay. How tarot is how this year is for occult science?
I can see for occult science this is a very good year. I can see a lot of growth will happen and more visibility and more awareness will happen mainly. So this year
Okay.
occult science will be brightly seen and powerfully seen. Means people will also believe in it and also try doing it. I can see that occult
Okay.
science is a widely believed topic, but people don't do that very often because people are
Correct.
scared and they
Mhm.
overthink about it. So strength card shows that this year people will do more of that because they have
Correct.
more clarity about it. Abhi tak there was no clarity that how it works exactly and what happens. But this year I can see people will do more of that.
Correct.
Yeah, so it's a very good year for occult science.
Okay, okay, perfect. So, thank you, Tushya, for joining the session today and for your beautiful energy. We hope this session brought you clarity and positivity. Stay blessed and keep shining. And thank you once again for joining us and guiding us. I hope you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone. We had a wonderful session, shared each other's energy, and it was amazing knowing about tarot. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं लाइफ में जो हमें कभी पता ही नहीं होती हैं, बट स्लोली स्लोली जब हम उसके साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं तो हमें वो चीज़ें पता चलती हैं. इफ़ इन केस यू आर स्टिल थिंकिंग कि ये क्या होता है, आपको अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया, यू कैन राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट्स. आई श्योरली ट्राई टू रिप्लाई यू जो जो मुझे लगेगा कि आई कैन गाइड यू फ्रॉम द नॉलेज आई हैव रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम हिम. ठीक है, या मेरी जर्नी के एक्सपीरियंस से जो मैंने अभी तक टैरो के बारे में देखा है. सो यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस इन द लाइव सेशन. बाय बाय.